Day 2. We are back here, or day 2 or part 2, whichever one.
We're back to learning.
We're gonna see what she was able to learn and see if she actually learned a little bit something. So, with further ado,
let's start.
Let's get this show on the road.
What was that? Alright, so I haven't installed it yet.
Even though we just started, but that's a good start. It's a good start.
It's a good start. That was a little drippy, but not as bad. Didn't install it yet. You have to tell me, like, if it's a light, whatever.
How you feel so far?
Wait, I can.
How you feel so far? Yeah, you're in neutral,
Okay.
so you can, yeah.
I feel good. I think I've like gotten better at like letting my foot go smoothly on the clutch.
Green light.
Okay.
Green light. Oh.
Talk to you later.
Green light.
Okay.
Come on. You forgot to give the car
Oh
gas.
shoot.
Oh, I told you the car needs gas to move. Focus on it.
Okay, I'm gonna focus now. Like, just because I stalled it twice doesn't mean my game is not.
I'm not gonna lie, she's doing better than yesterday. Obviously, yesterday was,
Day one.
pretty rough.
Yeah, I stalled it like 53
pretty hard, yeah.
times.
Come on. You keep forgetting to give the car gas.
Oh my God.
Keep forgetting to give the car gas. Car needs gas.
Okay. Is that better?
That's good, yeah. Not
I have to like, I think today my focus is gonna be like practicing to like go fast, like not fast, but smoothly, and
yesterday,
not so slow. Like I feel like I
she
should
was
forever.
just dumping the clutch, and yeah, she was at a red light. She would take forever trying to take off, and people would be honking at her.
Yeah, I think my focus today is gonna be trying to drive it, trying to let go, like at a quick timing. So, okay, so let's see, green light.
There you go, keep up. Yep, go.
Okay, so I did it kind of
Not
fast
bad,
now.
yeah. Not bad.
It's just you and me. You two. I'm very awkward by myself.
Whew.
Hey, you're back.
Alrighty.
Okay.
You just picked up your friend, and we about to head to go eat.
Oh, we're eating.
Yeah, you're my Uber right now.
Okay. We're eating. Let's go eat.
Whoa!
Light is red.
Forgot to give it. You forgot to give it gas. Yeah, I saw your clutch. Your foot came off the clutch, like at a moderate speed, but you gave it no gas there. All right, now go to second.
Go to second.
Go to second. Yeah, go to second. Okay.
Wait.
Off the gas, clutch in second. Boom.
Hold on. We have to go over this again. Off the clutch. Off the gas.
Yeah,
Wait,
off the gas. But it's
wait.
always happens fast.
Okay, off the clutch. Wait, hold on. I'm getting nervous now. Off the gas.
Actually, now I'm gonna let you drive by yourself.
NANI?
Let you drive by yourself. Up and down or whatever. She hit the red light, boy. What? Oh boy. Shift it. Shift it. There you go.
What?
Go reverse.
Now?
Yeah, reverse to me.
Reverse to you. That's the most romantic thing you've ever said to me. Let's reverse to you. What's up?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you're doing really good. Honestly, very surprised. And you're doing good by yourself. You didn't even stall it once. What do you think?
I think I feel great. I think it's because you're not in the car.
Really?
Yeah, because you're not like looking over.
She's doing really well. What do you guys think for her second day? Yo, she's really ripping it.
Woo! This is fun.
Oh!
Dang it.
She stalled it.
Oh shit!
Ah!
I keep stalling now. Alright. Like my thought.
They're not bad. Driving on the streets. Look at that. Okay. What? What? Oh!
What was that?
What'd you just do?
I don't know.
You
Did I
trying to go
burn
to third?
something?
You trying to go to third?
Yeah.
That's what happened. You went back to first.
Oh shoot, that scared me.
Yep, that's called missing a shift.
Did I?
Okay, second gear, okay.
What?
Go to third. Wow. What? You went to third on that one, right?
Yeah.
Good. There you go. Now we just need to practice going into fourth, but I don't think there's enough road here to go into fourth.
Yeah. I
But
think I can go to the actual road now.
what do you think? What do you think so far?
I like it. It's fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
You are ripping it, yo. You look like you having fun. Okay. Second gear here.
Bye.
You're really ripping it, yo. This is so cool. Okay, okay. Shifted into second like a boss? What? Get out of here. Okay. Let's see what she learned, guys. This would be interesting. Alright, so to the right. Chill. Now go second gear, second gear, second gear. Okay. Third, don't travel so fast. Third. No, just straight back. Just straight back. Straight back. No, not second gear. That was second gear.
What do I do
No,
now?
just keep driving. To the right a little bit? To the right a little bit and then diagonally up. Diagonally. Yeah, right there. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's good.
Sure.
I don't think anybody's gonna believe you if you told them that you drove out on the road.
I know, right?
Nobody's gonna believe you. Brake! Hey! Chill! Alright guys, we're back with part 2 or day 2, whichever one it is. And I am genuinely very, very surprised. She actually drove it out on the road and I was comfortable enough to let her do it, so honestly, she's making a lot of progress. What do you think about day 2, part 2, whatever?
I think day 2 definitely went a lot better. I didn't stall like 53 times. I think my thing now is like confusing. I think my like problem right now is like shifting and confusing like third gear with
confusing
fifth gear. We had a little episode today that you guys will probably see in this video, where I went to third No, when I was trying to go to 5th and I went to 3rd instead, and that was not good.
Yeah. So yeah, it's not. I mean, it's all a beginner thing, but the more you try it, the better you're gonna get at it. Yeah, me when I bought my first car, and it was the second day, I was stalling it by myself out in the streets. But you're doing way better than I am. So it's only.
I feel a lot more comfortable today. Like going out, like I didn't know I was gonna go on the street. And 15 is honestly pretty busy for this town. So I did stall it in the light though, and I did have cars behind me, but
yeah, you just got.
I stalled it twice. But you know, I think once you get it, like once you do it, the more you do it, like you get better at it.
So are you ready for more lessons?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. But yeah, if you guys have any tips or any sort of tricks that you guys use to first learn how to drive stick, just leave them down in the comments. We'll greatly appreciate it. I mean, the more the better. So stay tuned though.
All right.